Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're working on the wife's truck. As you saw in the last couple of videos, we have picked up a 2021 Chevy Colorado four-wheel drive. This thing is pretty sweet. It is the V6 edition, so the wife is loving that. And of course, you know me, I can't leave anything alone. And well, I asked her, babe, can I, do some stuff to it? Like, customize it a little bit, change up some things. And she was like, yeah, cool, surprise me. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, surprising her. We have some interior bits that we're gonna be doing. As you saw in the last video, we did the nice floor mats and the bed liner there in the back of the truck and a few little pocket pieces inside for some accessories just to, utilize some storage, because we all know storage is pretty bleak in a lot of vehicles. So but today we're doing some cosmetic stuff. But before we get into today's video, you guys know the routine. Go ahead and hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super, super helpful. And man, you have no idea how much I appreciate it. So go ahead, do that stuff now. And then I'm gonna come over here and show you what we got. So like I said, in today's video, we are doing some sweet cosmetic stuff. Nothing crazy, but you spend a lot of time, actually all of your time, inside the vehicle. And well, that's where you want the comforts, that's where you want the conveniences, and that's where, if you're spending all your time there, you want it to be as nice as possible, because, well, why not ride in style, right? So today we are doing a full-on carbon fiber interior trim panel kit, and well, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Let's go take a look right now at what it looks like beforehand, just to kind of get an idea. What do you say? Let's go take a peek. All right, so, door panels, pretty basic. I mean, not basic, but nice design, just normal plastic. Everything is pretty normal, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but everything can always be a little nicer. So we are just kind of taking a glance here. We've got all this stuff. And let's take a look at that carbon fiber kit. I've got it all laid out. I already took everything out of the packaging because, well, I'm excited and I was a little antsy and I couldn't wait. But are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. That's what we've got, boys. We have a 14-piece trim panel kit, all in carbon fiber to accentuate all of that sweet stuff inside. So you can see, I mean, it is quality looking carbon. Everything matches super nice, directional. Everything is really in good shape. Very happy with it. Vent covers, light covers, door handle covers, and power window button covers, gear select cover, dash bezel, and we also got a really nice knob kit to accentuate everything that we're doing here today. Alright, so this is beforehand. Alright, boys and girls, before we start this project, we've got some preparations to do. Prep work, not always fun, but it is very, very important. If you do not take the time to do the proper prep work, the final result will absolutely reflect that, and stuff is not going to last long at all. So, we have our little station here. As you saw, we have all of our bits, bobs, and pieces over here. Now our prep station is also set up. We have some adhesive remover. Basically, this is an old jug, but it is basically some paint thinner, and we need that to clean all the areas to make sure the adhesive sticks real well. We've got some rags. We have a heat gun. Yes, a heat gun. We will be using that to heat up some of the floppier pieces, just to help with the adhesive sticking and for them to conform to the actual panel that they're sticking to. We will be heating up all of the tape on all of these. As you can see, it's just some 3M double stick. So we've got that. When we get done, we'll be cleaning everything up, sprucing and shining. Extra batteries for the camera, glasses because, well, we're getting old. Mountain Dew, well, because we need our caffeine. Now, I think the only thing left is to do it. So let's get to it. So this preparation, this is going to take anything that is sticky or waxy, oily, fingerprints, that kind of stuff. It's going to take all of that off and allow the adhesive to really stick well. So we are going to clean all of our surfaces first. Make sure we get real good. This evaporates well and it doesn't ruin your interior. It doesn't melt the plastic like some of the other harsher chemicals will. One downfall, it does kind of dull your plastic afterwards, but that's what we've got the interior dressing for later. So this door is now ready to go. Let's move over to the other rear passenger door. Make sure I prep the driver's side especially well, just because that is the side that you are on the most, and it's going to take the most abuse as far as just daily use. So I want to make sure that we have everything really well on the door here, prepped so that we have nothing to worry about. I don't need pieces falling off or hanging weird, flapping, that kind of stuff. So we got her done, and it looks amazing. The wife is going to be super happy and super impressed and surprised as well. I don't think she understood the depth of what we were going to do here with the interior, but it looks pretty sick. I do have to say, all of the bits here turned out super nice. This little part here, I was a little worried about, but she's sticking real good. There was no hard plastic trim behind that, so it is literally just the kind of molded dash material there. These are looking real nice. The dash bezels look real good. The steering wheel, that turned out super nice. I do like how it fits around the sides and the bottom section here where you hold your hand. When I'm driving anyway, that's where I hold it, but oh yeah, she looks really good, doesn't it? This dash piece here, that thing is an animal. That is one solid big piece, amazing. Looks really good, especially with these knobs in there. See if you guys can get a good view of the knob. It's got a little design in them. Trim piece underneath. She really came together. Well, boys and girls, there you have it. She looks pretty good. I hope you think so as well. Let me know. Leave a comment below. Thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know. What do you think? Sometimes some people's idea of nice is not always everybody's idea of nice. Some people might think this is too much carbon fiber, tacky, whatever. Other people might think it's just enough. Me, I like it, so we're gonna rock it. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.